In this module, we are going to discuss how to achieve encapsulation in Java. In Java, we can achieve encapsulation with a class. Class is responsible for holding the data and methods together inside a single body. Yes, class is going to group data and methods together into a single body. If our goal is to achieve encapsulation in Java, then we must use a class. Then, what is class? Class is just a design. See, in real world engineering, before creating the actual product, we first create its design. In real world engineering, before creating the actual product, we create its design. From this one design, we can create multiple houses. From this one design, we can create multiple products, multiple cars. Same way in programming, before creating the actual object, before creating the actual product, we must create its design. We must create its design. Class is just a design, and from this design, we are going to create multiple objects. ये सारी चीजें हमें क्लियर करती है कि एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट बनाने से पहले क्या रहना चाहिए हमारे पास? डिजाइन. यस, ब्लूप्रिंट बिफोर प्रोडक्ट. Before creating any actual product, we should have its blueprint. Before creating any object, we should have its class, because class is just a blueprint for creating actual objects. Class is just a design. From this design, we can create multiple products, multiple objects.